pretty damn good to me. Hey y'all, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel and Vlogmas week 3. Today me and my husband are going to be doing a couple of Christmas activities, including that gingerbread house back there. We're going to be doing the gingerbread house challenge, and I'm going to start off by cooking because as usual I am starving. I have not really eaten anything today except for a bag of chips. So let's jump straight into this vlog. So I'm going to start off by prepping these shrimp that I got from Walmart. I've already defrosted them in the sink. Whenever you're dealing with raw meat of any kind, make sure you guys rinse your meat. A lot of people don't wash their meat. It's weird. Wash your meat. Now I'm gonna lightly season my shrimp. I like to use seasonal, some lemon pepper, and cayenne pepper. I'm gonna show you guys a really quick home cooked style meal. Kind of home cooked. It's kind of a box dinner, but still it's better than takeout. Okay you guys, so today what I'm making is this Louisiana style Cajun based étouffée. This is supposed to be for crawfish or shrimp, so I'm using shrimp. It's definitely not as good as my mom's homemade étouffée, but it's really quick and I don't got that much time. It's already 5:44 and I don't want to be in the kitchen all day. So I'm just following the instructions on the back of 2 packs. You know, you follow the instructions of 1 and then you double it. Browning 10 tablespoons of butter with both these packs of étouffée base. Yes, it is not healthy whatsoever, but it tastes amazing. I'm gonna brown up the base in this. Just the base alone smells good. So this is good. To this, I'm gonna add 4 cups of water. I'm gonna season up my water before it starts to boil together. I like my seasoning to boil into my gravy base. So more seasonal, cayenne pepper. I'm gonna lower this really quick and then I'm gonna start on my rice. Hey babe, you wanna come stir this while I do the rice? Looks good. Now we're gonna add the shrimp. Is there butter still? Yeah, there's still butter. Some rice. Right now, my husband is cleaning and cutting the ends off of some asparagus that we're about to saute up. For asparagus, some butter. Add a little bit of lemon juice. You could use fresh lemons if you have some lemon wedges on hand. Honestly, this is just fine. And some salt. It looks crowded, but it wilts down, you guys. Just wait. And this part, I'm going to be making some Idaho scalloped potatoes. 3/4 cups of milk to 1.5 cups of water. Tablespoon of butter. Y'all, don't do my pots. I've been using these since college, freshman year, 2013. Asparagus is cooked down enough. I'm going to turn it off now. Like this. So now while we wait on the potatoes to finish, we are going to bake our cookies.
Let's bake some cookies, boobies!
We got the Pillsbury cookies from Walmart. I'm gonna do the Christmas tree ones. He's gonna do the snowman. Dash. Look how cute.
I think they're gonna swell up and mess up though.
I don't think they're gonna swell up too much, but maybe a little. That's so cute. We're gonna pop these in the oven once it's finished preheating. But for now, I'm gonna fix us some plates. We're gonna eat really quick and then jump straight into that gingerbread house challenge. And this is my almost homemade shrimp étouffée, sauteed asparagus, scalloped potatoes, and a Hawaiian roll. Looks pretty damn good to me. The gingerbread house competition is always a little bit more fun when you're a little buzzed. 21 and older, you guys. We're both 24.
It's got a nice aftertaste too.
Thank you. Y'all, this is good. Too. We got our sugar cookies all cute and done. Okay guys, we just finished eating, so now we're gonna do this gingerbread house challenge. We're gonna see who can build the better house. This comes with 2 little houses and also like 2 little huts, I guess.
Ready to eat.
He's ready to eat the cookies, so he'll start on those.
It don't taste like a pound of sugar.
Really? Are they good?
Christmas tree was. I'm about to try the snowman. Picture came out kind of funny too. You told me it's gonna swell up and look ugly.
We got sugar cookies and eggnog.
I'm gonna do the triangle.
You have to pick something big. I'm doing this one.
No, you doing.
I just said this is it right here.
Not 2 of them with 2. Not 3 of them with 2 on this. You did made it with icing.
Here. That's the best house already. Now you're at a disadvantage. I don't even know what this is I'm looking at.
Maybe. I don't know how this is gonna work.
I think we broke them last time. Oh, this one is, oh no.
I'm scared to break this little cookie, man.
In fact, since it broke, I'm gonna give it some life. You can't even tell it's defective. You're doing so good. My cookie is really uneven.
I just said that. See.
No. Y'all, he's excited that I just dropped my house. But little does he know, I'm not quitting. This is my little gingerbread house masterpiece. It had a hard life. His looks really good too. Look how cute this is, you guys. In fact, look, he got me a car. This is my car. Put my car back.
Na, 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 na. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
So this is my gingerbread house. This is his beautiful gingerbread house also. He actually ended up making me a cute little Lamborghini. He would have won if his house would have stayed together, or at least he would have had a fighting chance. But he was over it as soon as we started because he hates building tiny things. So that's all that we got for Vlogmas week 3, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you guys tune in next week for the last week of Vlogmas. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to all to be notified every time that we post for Vlogmas. And thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.